My name is Kohei, and I am an aspiring astronaut. Last year, the Japanese government announced that they are going to select future astronauts for the first time in 13 years. And this has been my dream since I was a kid, but there has not been any chance at all over the past 13 years. So I decided to pursue my dream and use all of my power and energy to achieve my dream. Since that time, I've been preparing for the selection process by doing a lot of training. I'm going to share my journey for the selection process happening soon, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel.